Welcome to a journey beyond the realms of the ordinary. Welcome to the Mystical 411, where the mystical and the mysterious converge in one captivating space. In a world filled with noise and chaos, find solace in the depths of ancient wisdom and mystical knowledge. Our channel is your gateway to a universe of magic, spirituality, and enlightenment. Explore the secrets of the universe, unravel the mysteries of the past, and embark on a quest for spiritual awakening like never before. From the sacred teachings of ancient civilizations to the latest discoveries in metaphysics, we leave no stone unturned. Join us on this extraordinary voyage, where every video is a doorway to transcendence and every lesson is a step closer to enlightenment. Whether you're a seasoned mystic or a curious seeker, there's something here for everyone. Subscribe now and unlock the secrets of the universe with. Don't just watch the mystical, experience it.